Would you like to lock or unlock the rear windows and doors of your Audi on the inside, but you are not sure how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you how to automatically lock and unlock the rear windows and doors of your Audi on the inside by using the child safety lock. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Make sure that the Audi's ignition is on. To activate the child safety lock, go to the window controls on the driver's door panel. Underneath the window controls you will find these buttons with this symbol. The symbol on the button indicates the automatic child safety lock for the rear windows and doors. By pressing only the left button, you will automatically lock the rear window and door on the left side of your Audi. By pressing both buttons, which are marked with a red light, you will automatically lock the rear windows and doors on both sides of your Audi. By pressing the buttons again, you will unlock the child safety feature. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.